The Apple Watch Ultra, the company's most recent watch model, raises the bar exceptionally high. Not only is it robust, but it also possesses the capability of carrying out tasks that watches have not been able to do up to this point in time. Apple Watch Ultra has a new striking design with endurance, exploration, and adventure-focused functions. Apple Watch Ultra's 49mm titanium casing and flat sapphire front crystal reveal the biggest and brightest display yet. An action button provides quick access to several features. Apple Watch Ultra has the longest battery life at 36 hours. Power setting can extend battery life to 60 hours. The Wayfinder watch face is designed for the bigger Apple Watch Ultra display and incorporates a compass. Trail loop, alpine loop, and ocean band provide a secure and comfortable fit for every trip. Apple Watch Ultra may be ordered today and shipped September 23. "We created a whole new category of Apple Watch," said Apple's COO Jeff Williams. Apple Watch Ultra is a multipurpose instrument that encourages adventure, endurance, and exploration. Bigger, brighter, stronger. Apple Watch Ultra's aerospace-grade titanium construction balances weight, durability, and corrosion resistance. The shell rises to protect the Retina display, which is 2x brighter than any Apple Watch display yet. The high-contrast international orange action button may be modified to access workouts, compass waypoints, backtrack, and more. Apple Watch Ultra includes 3 built-in microphones to increase call quality. An adaptive beamforming method captures voice while decreasing background noise, resulting in clarity. Apple Watch Ultra uses wind noise reduction methods, including machine learning, to deliver crisp call audio in windy conditions. Trail loop is the thinnest Apple Watch band to date. The lightweight woven fabric is smooth and flexible, allowing it to be cinched to the perfect fit. The tab allows for easy adjustment. Alpine loop's 2 interwoven layers are woven in one continuous process to eliminate stitching. The top loops, interwoven with high-strength yarn, are adjustable and secure the titanium G-hook. The ocean band has a titanium buckle and spring-loaded loop for water activities and diving. Flexible fluoroelastomer is molded for a secure fit and stretches. The ocean band's extra-long tail lets wearers use it over a wetsuit. Apple Watch Ultra is a great tool for endurance athletes. Precision dual-frequency GPS includes L1 and L5, plus new locating algorithms, for the first time in an Apple Watch. Apple Watch Ultra's GPS provides the most accurate distance, pace, and route statistics for training and competing. watchOS 9 for Apple Watch Ultra measures stride length, ground contact time, vertical oscillation, and running power. Apple Watch Ultra is the only Apple Watch that can show 6 workout metrics at once, thanks to its bigger display. Heart rate zones, custom workouts, pacer, and race route will boost users' training. The new multi-sport workout incorporates auto detection to easily switch between swimming, biking, and running sessions. The action button can start workouts and advance to the next interval of a custom workout or multi-sport workout. It can also mark segments, complementing the new track running experience, which automatically estimates pacing and distance for track runners. Apple Watch Ultra displays time, heart rate, rolling mile pace, average pace, mileage, and vertical oscillation. With its larger, brighter display and durable build, Apple Watch Ultra is ideal for adventurers and explorers in everyday and extreme conditions. The app presents a combination analog/digital compass view. Turning the digital crown provides latitude, longitude, elevation, and inclination. Apple Watch Ultra is designed for water sports. Apple Watch Ultra is WR100 certified for underwater adventures. Apple Watch Ultra is certified to EN 13319, an international standard for dive gear, including depth gauges. Apple Watch Ultra's Depth app has a new depth gauge and has an intuitive UI. Apple Watch Ultra offers all of the connectivity, activity, and health features that have made Apple Watch the best-selling smartwatch in the world. Apple Watch Ultra's temperature sensing capabilities help women's health. The 2-sensor design reduces exterior and body bias. Users can get retrospective ovulation estimations, which can help with family planning. 7 iOS 16 and watchOS 9 cycle tracking users might now receive a notification if their registered cycle history suggests a possible departure. Apple Watch's crash detection uses 2 new motion sensors and a sensor fusion algorithm. After a 10-second countdown, Apple Watch will call 911 if the user is unresponsive after a severe car crash. It has 100% recycled rare earth elements in all magnets and 100% recycled tungsten in the 𝗏𝗡𝗡 engine, a first for Apple Watch. No Apple Watch packaging includes outside plastic wrap, and 98% or more is fiber-based. All of Apple's features priorities privacy. All of a user's health and fitness data in the Health app is encrypted. iCloud Health data is protected in transit and on Apple servers. That's all from our side. Please do consider like and subscribe to this video and let us know what are your thoughts about this topic.